If you are a Windows user, then you must be using antivirus software, either a free one or a paid one. You might have bought or planning to buy an antivirus software or internet security suite. But hold on, before you spend any money on antivirus, there are some things you should know. Adding a third-party antivirus to your PC is like bringing in an extra security guard. Sure, it's there to keep the bad stuff out, but it ends up making your computer work much slower. These programs can be like overzealous guards, checking every nook and cranny so thoroughly that it takes a toll on your computer's speed. They often run constant scans and demand a good chunk of your computer's attention, which can be annoying, especially when you just want your computer to zip around without any slowdowns. It's a trade-off between extra security and a speedier computer. Ever feel like third-party antivirus programs are on a relentless quest to sell you everything but peace of mind? It's a bit like a never-ending sale where the offers seem more like distractions than genuine enhancements. Constant pop-ups about upgrading to a premium version, bundled offers that feel more like clutter, and the promise of added features that you may not even need, these are the not-so-charming aspects of some third-party antivirus offerings. It's like they're in a competition to see who can throw the most useless offers your way. For users who just want their antivirus to quietly do its job without the constant sales pitch, these offers can be more of an annoyance than a value add. Sometimes, less really is more, especially when it comes to antivirus software. Picture your antivirus as a really cautious friend who sometimes gets things wrong. False positives happen when this friend thinks something harmless is actually a troublemaker. It's like your buddy mistaking your pet for a monster. It's a mix-up. Antivirus programs, trying to be super protective, sometimes goof up and say normal stuff is bad. It's like a game of telling your friend, no, that's not a problem, it's okay. It's a bit annoying, but it's just your antivirus being a bit too careful. Dealing with password-protected files when it comes to scanning is a bit like having a mystery box that you can't open. Antivirus programs, just like curious minds, face a challenge when it comes to scanning files that are locked away behind passwords. It's like trying to read a book with a closed cover. These encrypted files act as digital fortresses, keeping their contents safe from prying eyes, including antivirus scans. While it ensures privacy for the user, it also means that the antivirus might miss what's inside. So, it's a bit of a digital blind spot, like having a locked room that even the antivirus can't peek into. Bypassing the Microsoft Smart Screen filter with a code signing certificate is a bit like discovering a backdoor into a secured area. It seems accessible to anyone with the right tool. The Smart Screen filter is a robust defense mechanism, but a code signing certificate acts as a sort of secret pass to slip through undetected. The catch, however, is that obtaining this certificate requires some effort and resources. It's a bit like having a universal key. It can open doors, but it's not something you stumble upon easily. While the Smart Screen filter serves as a guardian against potentially harmful content, the existence of this bypass option underscores the ongoing challenge of maintaining digital security in a landscape where individuals may exploit loopholes for various reasons. Choosing not to use free antivirus is often a piece of advice in the tech world, and it's like saying, you get what you pay for. While free antivirus can provide basic protection, it often comes with limitations. It's a bit like having a security guard who works for free. They might do the job, but they might not be as vigilant or well-equipped as the paid professionals. Free antivirus tools may lack some advanced features, timely updates, and comprehensive support that come with their paid counterparts. It's a trade-off between saving money and investing in robust protection, and for those who value a premium defense for their digital space, opting for a paid antivirus is like hiring the VIP security detail for your computer. And of course, never ever use cracked antivirus software. Avoiding the temptation to open random.exe files like game trainers, cracked software exe files, etc. is like resisting the urge to taste mystery food. It might look tempting, but you're not sure what you're getting into. Just like you wouldn't eat something from an unknown source, clicking on random.exe files without checking their origin can lead to trouble. It's a bit like opening a surprise package without knowing who sent it. Always make sure to check the source of the file before opening it, ensuring it's from a reliable and trusted sender. It's a digital safety precaution. Running multiple antivirus programs on your computer is a bit like having too many chefs in the kitchen. It sounds like a good idea, but it often leads to chaos. While the intention is to boost security, having more than one antivirus can create conflicts. It's like telling two guards to protect the same door. They might end up getting in each other's way. These programs may identify each other as threats, causing constant alerts and, ironically, making your system more vulnerable. It's a case of too much of a good thing becoming a problem. Stick to one reliable antivirus. For most folks, just using Windows on their computer for regular stuff like browsing the internet, checking email, and doing documents, Windows Defender is enough. It gets the job done by keeping away most of the online threats. You don't need to go hunting for other antivirus programs. This one's got your back without making your computer slow or complicated. Opting for the stock basic antivirus instead of the full internet security package is like choosing a simple, reliable car without all the flashy add-ons. The basic antivirus is akin to having a solid lock on your front door. It keeps the bad stuff out without overwhelming you with extra features. While internet security packages offer a variety of tools like firewalls, VPNs, and extra layers of protection, not everyone needs the full suite. It's a bit like deciding if you need a sleek sports car or if a reliable sedan gets the job done. For many users engaged in everyday online activities, the basic antivirus provides a sensible and efficient shield without the bells and whistles of its more comprehensive counterpart. Using an ad blocker like uBlock Origin is like having a guardian for your internet travels. It stops annoying ads from cluttering your screen and keeps you away from websites that might cause trouble. With uBlock Origin, you can browse the web without worrying about clicking on anything harmful. Using ad blocker will prevent you from clicking the wrong download button online. I'm sure you can relate this. Opting for open source software over pirated ones is a bit like choosing a free concert over sneaking into a paid show. Using pirated software is not only illegal but also risky. It's like getting a fake ticket to a concert that might crash at any moment. On the other hand, open source software is like a community-driven music festival where everyone is invited. It's free, legal, and often comes with a supportive community that keeps things running smoothly. Just as buying a legitimate ticket ensures a worry-free concert experience, using open source software guarantees a legal and stable digital journey without the risks and ethical concerns associated with pirated alternatives. When you need to test or try out something new on your computer without risking the stability of your main system, using Windows 11 Sandbox mode or a virtual machine is like creating a safe playground. It's similar to having a separate testing area where you can experiment without the fear of messing up your entire room. Windows 11 Sandbox mode allows you to run applications in an isolated environment, like trying out a new game without worrying about it causing chaos on your computer. Virtual machines, on the other hand, are like having a whole other computer within your computer. It's a bit like having a twin system for your experiments. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just cautious about potential issues, these tools offer a risk-free way to explore and try out new things in the digital realm. When it comes to choosing software, sticking to well-known names is a bit like opting for a familiar restaurant over a mysterious food truck. You have a better idea of what you're getting. If you're not sure about a particular software, take a moment to research before diving in. It's like reading reviews before trying out a new place to eat. Trustworthy and established software developers often have a track record for reliability and security. Researching beforehand is a digital safety net, ensuring that you invite only the most reputable guests into your computer space and avoiding potential headaches associated with less known or dubious software options. Choosing to use virustotal instead of installing a standalone antivirus is like getting a second opinion before committing to a major decision. Virustotal is a bit like a digital detective that scans files and URLs with multiple antivirus engines. It's a smart move, especially when you're unsure about the safety of a file or a website. Instead of dedicating your computer to a single antivirus, using virustotal allows you to tap into a collective wisdom of various security tools. It's a bit like having a team of experts reviewing your choices before you make them. Whether you're cautious about potential threats or just want that extra layer of assurance, virustotal offers a quick and efficient way to vet files without the need for a heavyweight antivirus installation. Choosing Linux for your operating system is like moving into a digital fortress that stands strong against viruses. Unlike some other operating systems, Linux has built-in defenses and a robust security structure, making it a less attractive target for malware. It's like living in a neighborhood with a low crime rate. The chances of encountering digital trouble are significantly reduced. Linux is designed with a focus on user security and control, making it a solid choice for those who want a virus-free computing experience. While no system is entirely immune, Linux is a bit like having a vigilant guard at the gate, creating a safer and more secure environment for your digital endeavors. That's it for today. Please give a thumbs up and share this video with your friends if you like the content, and subscribe to the channel if you like to see more contents like this in future. What's your thoughts about antivirus softwares? Let me know in the comments. And as always, stay strong.